The discovery and structure of black holes, imposing and mysterious, massive objects drift silently through the infinite canvas of space. They are the ultimate cosmic enigmas, so strange and powerful that they challenge everything we know about physics and the universe itself. These are black holes. For decades, they remained shrouded in mystery, hidden behind a veil of lightless gravity. But now, thanks to advances in astronomical technology, especially the revolutionary James Webb Space Telescope, we are finally beginning to peel back the layers of mystery and uncover what lies within these enormous, dark beasts of the cosmos. Come with us as we embark on a breathtaking journey to the far reaches of the universe to explore the deep secrets of black holes, what they are, how they form, and what they might contain. If you're passionate about space, time, and all the wonders that lie beyond our sky, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow stargazers, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the universe's greatest secrets. Let's begin at the origin of the idea. In 1916, Albert Einstein published his general theory of relativity. This monumental scientific achievement described how gravity works not as a force, but as a warping of space and time. Within Einstein's equations was a peculiar and disturbing prediction that under certain conditions, space could collapse in on itself, forming an object with gravity so powerful, not even light could escape it. At the time, this was considered a mathematical oddity, fascinating, but not real. However, as time went on, this hypothetical object began to seem more plausible. By the 1960s, technology and observations had caught up with theory. Scientists began detecting strange signals from deep space. One such signal came from a region in the constellation Cygnus, where astronomers found a bright blue star emitting powerful X-rays. This star wasn't behaving like a normal one. It was orbiting around something invisible, something massive. This invisible companion was absorbing matter and emitting radiation in the process. The name of the system? Cygnus X1. The invisible object? A black hole. This discovery marked a turning point. For the first time, we had evidence that black holes weren't just theoretical, they were real. And that was just the beginning. Since Cygnus X1, astronomers have found clues that suggest there may be over 100 million black holes lurking quietly in the Milky Way alone. Because they don't emit light and are often hidden behind gas and dust, we can only detect them through indirect methods like the gravitational effects they have on nearby stars. So, what exactly is a black hole? At its core, a black hole forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity after running out of nuclear fuel. It compresses into an unimaginably dense point called a singularity. Surrounding this is the event horizon, the point of no return. Once anything crosses this invisible boundary, light, matter, or energy, it's gone forever, trapped inside the black hole's gravitational pull. In simpler terms, black holes can be thought of as incredibly dense objects that warp space and time around them. Anything that gets too close experiences extreme gravitational stretching in a process known as spaghettification, a term scientists use to describe how objects would stretch like spaghetti as they approach the singularity. It sounds like science fiction, but it's a real, terrifying consequence of physics as we understand it. In 2021, astronomers made history by releasing the first ever clear image of a black hole, M87. A supermassive black hole at the center of a galaxy 55 million light-years away. Captured using a network of telescopes around the globe known as the Event Horizon Telescope, the image revealed a glowing ring of gas and dust surrounding a dark central void. It confirmed what physicists had long suspected. Black holes are not just empty holes in space, they have structure, depth, and complexity. M87 taught us that black holes consist of multiple layers. First, the accretion disk, a swirling cloud of gas and dust being pulled inward. Next, the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing escapes. And finally, the singularity, the mysterious, infinitely dense point at the center. But even with all this knowledge, we're only scratching the surface. Black holes remain one of the greatest unsolved puzzles in modern science. Inside the singularity, theories and mind-bending possibilities, we now understand that black holes are real, and we know what happens on the outside from the swirling accretion disk to the boundary of no return. But what lies inside? This question has puzzled scientists for generations, and the answers remain as mysterious as the objects themselves. Once something crosses the event horizon, it's trapped forever, pulled inevitably toward the singularity. But what is the singularity, really? It's not just a dense point, it's the place where the known laws of physics break down. Time, space, and matter collapse into a state we can't currently describe. It's a region where even Einstein's brilliant equations can no longer help us. So far, no one has been able to peer inside a black hole. We can't send probes, satellites, or spacecraft. Anything that enters is lost, destroyed, or compressed beyond recognition. Because of this, much of what we believe about the inside of black holes is based on theory, not observation. One popular and fascinating theory is the wormhole hypothesis. This idea suggests that black holes might not be the end of the road, but rather gateways to other parts of the universe or even other universes entirely. Think of it like a cosmic tunnel, bending spacetime so intensely that it forms a shortcut to another location. If this is true, then black holes could revolutionize how we think about travel across galaxies. Interstellar voyages that would otherwise take thousands of years could become almost instantaneous if, of course, we could survive the trip. Another mind-bending possibility is that black holes are storage units of the universe, holding the data, matter, and energy that disappear into them. Some scientists propose that everything that falls into a black hole isn't lost, it's encoded on the surface of the event horizon. This idea, known as the holographic principle, has led to bold theories that black holes may function like cosmic holograms projecting information while concealing its true inner workings. In fact, a Tokyo-based researcher named Enrico Raldi and his team have taken this theory to the extreme. They suggest that black holes might not be actual physical entities at all but rather illusions, caused by how we perceive the bending of space and time. In their view, black holes could be holographic projections generated by unknown laws of the universe, not unlike glitches in a cosmic simulation. While this sounds like something out of a sci-fi novel, it's a real theory being explored in the field of quantum gravity. Of course, not everyone agrees. Some scientists believe that we'll never truly understand the singularity until we discover a theory of everything, one that merges quantum mechanics and general relativity. Until then, the singularity remains a cosmic curtain we cannot lift. What we do know is this: each black hole is unique. Each one could hold entirely different secrets. Some may rotate rapidly, others may have powerful magnetic fields. Some may have consumed entire stars or planetary systems. And as long as they exist, they will continue to challenge our understanding of space, time, and existence itself. So what do you think? Are black holes cosmic monsters, devourers of matter, and destroyers of light? Or are they doorways, portals to places and possibilities beyond human imagination? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the deepest mysteries of the universe, remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel, share it with fellow explorers of the cosmos, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we uncover even more wonders from space. Thanks for watching. And never stop asking, what's out